And we are on. Hi, everybody, and welcome to my little post workout clip. I never usually do this kind of talks. Is that fine? I guess it's fine. Maybe I can put you like inside like this. I don't know. These microphones are weird. Doesn't matter. Yeah. So I just finished my mobility. Which was so good today. Honestly, it was so good. And it was 15 minutes and it's gonna be uploaded on Friday. So I just wanted to come here and just talk a little bit how my training style changed over the years. So when I started to train, like 15 years ago, I think it was 2010, I discovered the high intensity interval training. You know, at that time the hype was on HIIT and everybody was just doing HIIT. It wasn't that massive on YouTube yet, but then it became like more and more. And yeah, I was doing HIIT all the time. And now if I look back, it was great for shredding the bodies, you know, but not that great for building the strength. So now if I do like a pure HIIT, like with just the movements, you know, rushed through the routine, and at the end I just feel like, nah, I didn't do anything, for example, right? I didn't do any purposefully a good workout to it. Don't get me wrong, it has its place in your workout routine, but I would say not for me anymore. I'm 43. Of course, the HIIT maybe is more for the younger generations. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Maybe I'm wrong. But for me, for my body, it doesn't suit me really well anymore. What suits me really well is a pure strength training with which I am incorporating more and more and more, and I love it. Slow, controlled movements with heavier weights. I lift heavier than I ever did in my past. And yeah, and I combine it with the metabolic conditioning workout, which is kind of a HIIT, but it's a controlled HIIT. So it's like you still have a weight training inside, and then you have maybe some kind of exercises with more explosiveness and more power, and where you can engage fast twitch muscle fibers and so on. And then mobility. So those are my three favorite working styles. So pure strength, metcons, and mobility, and walking. Simple walking, maybe like just, you know, 30 minutes walking post workout, or just any other time during the day. These are my favorite styles at the moment, and this is how I evolved through my fitness journey. Those of you who are original subscribers, you know how I was training before. It was a lot of HIIT. But now if I would just do HIIT, I would maybe just do like maybe like 5 minute finisher at the end. And that's it. That's it. And yeah, but I love my mobility. So I just filmed, like I said, I filmed mobility routine. And I always feel so amazing after this routine. And sometimes I incorporate also core work, a little bit Pilates work inside, and it just feels so good. So if you've never tried my mobility classes, please go ahead. There's a full playlist of mobility classes in here in YouTube, and also on my Patreon side, where I have like more structured weekly programs for you. Yeah, and also strength training. I'm doing now an amazing program, Goddess Code program, which it will be like 6 to 8 week long program, and it's strength based and mobility based program, which it's perfect for women over 40, I would say, because we go through the hormonal changes and our body changes a lot. So we benefit more from the strength training. And yeah, I've been doing this and metabolic conditioning, let's say maybe 1 time, 2 times per week. So that is like my workout routine, my workout splits, and I love it. I really do love it. And I enjoy moving my body, and so should you. And also another thing I wanted to tell you. You know, don't believe any quick fixes. Don't believe any quick 6-week shreds workouts or anything like that. I see so many of this now going on, like, oh, you're gonna be super shredded, the best body ever in 6 weeks. This doesn't apply for beginners. This doesn't apply for somebody who never trained before and is going to be shredded in 6 weeks. That's a BS. Maybe this applies to me, which I'm already trained athlete, and if I want to lose and shred a little bit extra in 6 weeks, I will change my physique drastically because my body is so used to training and I have muscle memory as well. Okay, so what's happened now? My battery. I have the muscle memory as well, and my body responds. But if you're just starting training, this will take years. I don't want to discourage anybody, but please be mindful of that training your body to the certain shredded level, it takes years. The same as building the body, losing fat from your body, it takes years. I will talk about this a little bit more in the separate video. I'm planning to film like a blueprint for how to achieve the body of your dreams. But remember, this takes years. I'm training 15 years for non-stop to be able to achieve what I have now. I had to work really hard, and I incorporated different styles throughout my fitness journey. So yes, quick fixes, they're not sustainable. If you want to change your body, change your lifestyle, you have to pick something that is sustainable, that you can pick, that you can actually stick to it. So pick the right choices. And trust me, it takes years to build your body, but take it every single training. Take it step by step. Take it as a perfect accomplishment for that specific training and that specific day. And that's how we are supposed to be training. All right, so this was a little talk from me, just to give you a little bit of, encouragement, a little bit motivation. And it's Wednesday, so so this is the behind the scenes. I am actually filming a little bit more often now for my Patreon. So if you're interested to, how I live my life here on the island in Seychelles, how I train when I'm not on YouTube, and if you want to have a little bit more raw content, go ahead and sign up for my Patreon page. Otherwise, I will see you here on YouTube on Friday for my mobility work. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time.